a Mopar. K, don't play. What's in my hand? My first fuel neck changed out in my Duster. And now you're gonna watch me change it. It was very, 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 very fun. Very fun, very easy. Ah! You gonna help me work on a car, Coco? All right. Get to it. Fuel neck replacement. All by
It's getting hot down here. Mississippi. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
All right, here's your old one. Oh, don't jank the new one up. Old one, new one. Oh, which way did it go? This way. Are you kidding? It's just that easy. All right. Check your seal. A little bit of crack there, but that shouldn't be a problem right there. Hopefully. All right. Get some of that lubricant across here. Hold on. So easily we can come back to that gasket, but it's probably fine. Yeah, better than this one. I'll order a new seal. Wait, I missed a step. Now we are good to go. All right. Put these in. And I do have a gas cap coming. Yes, I do. I sure do. I love you guys. That's why I'm doing this with one hand. Dang, look at there. It ain't even. It ain't even in the right spot. Hold on. You watch this for me, okay? Right on the money. Tickle, tickle, tickle. I ain't gonna like tighten them because I gotta put another screw in this garment down here. So we just gonna let it kind of hold but not run away. Well, that don't even want to, oh, there we go. What a beautiful unit. That ain't even doing nothing. All right, we ain't even gonna touch that one. I know. Smoking kills. It really does. Okay, this is what I need it to go over here. All right. Take this screw back out. There we go. Ain't nothing to it. Hey, right there. Oh. I'm gonna take a step away for a second. Hold on. Making me work too hard. Let me see. All right. I backed out my bolts from this. Now I'm gonna share it. That's all you gotta do. Take a step back for a second, and then things will align as needed. Take a step back and relax. Come back to it. Yeah, I like that idea. I think we're done. I think we're done. I think I freaking did it all by myself. I've been a lot calmer lately, realizing these cars. And there you go. My first fuel neck job all by myself. Hell yeah. Next is the dipstick tube. That'll be a different video. But I got a brand new dipstick tube coming for the transmission. Hello? For the transmission pan, dipstick tube coming. Anyways, yeah. I did it. I feel really good. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. See you next time, next day, tomorrow, I don't know. In 30 seconds. Bye. I love you. For the wall, you know, go hang it on the wall. I'm proud. I'm very proud. You can go there. Love you guys.